Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about knob indicator for Vulcan Hart part #00-498041. Knob indicator for Vulcan Hart part #00-498041 is a replacement part for Vulcan Hart commercial ovens. It is a round, black knob with a white indicator line on it. The knob is used to adjust the temperature of the oven, and the indicator line shows the current temperature setting. The knob is made of durable plastic and has a metal shaft that fits into the oven's control panel. This part is an OEM, original equipment manufacturer, part and is designed to fit specific models of Vulcan Hart commercial ovens. This part fixes the following symptoms. This knob is used to adjust the temperature on Vulcan Hart ovens. It can be used to replace a broken or worn out knob, allowing you to adjust the temperature of your oven accurately. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by turning off the power to the Vulcan Hart appliance. 2. Remove the existing knob from the appliance by unscrewing it from the shaft. 3. Insert the new knob onto the shaft and secure it with a set screw. 4. Turn on the power to the appliance and test that the knob is functioning properly. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.